Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to the bench. Gloves on today. Today we're going to be testing another chrome, ultra shining, fluid silver foil. What is that name? Can we say that name? Yeager? Anyway, yeah, after the awesomeness that was this Fusion Firm fluid silver foil, it's chrome. Really impressed. It has a clear coat in it and everything. It's a nice little set. This sold out twice. Actually, it's back in stock right now. I'll have a link below for this one. But let me look and see if I can find another one. If there's one good, at least as a backup, because this one keeps selling out. It is awesome. The maker of this, if you're watching, I know you're watching because you've commented several times below these videos. And I would like to partner with you if you want, and we could put my name on this, maybe a different bottle, whatnot. We'll figure something out. We'll market it together. That's how impressed I am with this, and we can push some product. If you're interested, leave a comment below, and then we can exchange emails and go from there. So I am interested in that. Put that right up front in case he hears me. I think I wrote him an email, but I hadn't heard back. Anyway, so I went online and found this one. This one is only $9.99. I think the other one's about $12, but it comes with the clear. But let me show you what we got here. Comes with a brush. Comes with two brushes, I think. I ordered the gold also, and just like the other one, not as impressed. I'll even show it to you right up front. There's the gold. It looks just like everyone I've tested. It's not that super shine chrome. I mean, it's nice. It's not bad. This is brushed on, by the way, with that brush. So check that out. So that is not bad. All right, we'll put him back here. So, different bottle. This is the exact same product. I'm thinking they maybe even are made in the same plant. Maybe it's the same company, different name. Sometimes Coca-Cola will make another soda without Coke on it. I mean, the package is almost even the same color. And I think addresses are the same. It's like the same product. You'll see in a second. So let me go ahead and put this box so you guys can see it. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to brush some on, and then we're going to we'll airbrush a piece. And that's why I got my gloves on, because I'm going to hold one of these guys and brush it on and see how it looks. I don't have one primered. Actually, this guy's primered, right? It doesn't need a primer. It doesn't need a black base. I'm going to go ahead and shake this with my Typhoon paint shaker. You can hear that right below me here. I tested this earlier, and I want to show you something that's not good. It comes with a brush built in, just like the other one, but the brush, but they also give you this one. So I'm not sure if that's something we should use. The alternate, I mean, to put this one down would make a bit of a mess. You know what? Let's go ahead and just use the one it came with in here. That's good. All right, so we're just going to load it on. Now, they recommend you just load it on just like the last one. And it's the same formula. If it's not the same, maybe it's like what I want to do, that somebody put their name on it. I would love to. You know, I would like to offer a larger bottle. If we go ahead and do that, I'm sorry if the camera keeps misfocusing on me. And let's go ahead. Let's keep going. Let's just load this thing right up. I'm going to show you what the box says in 1 second, because I want to get this guy to load it up and drying. I don't think we'll be able to handle them during this video, because we're going to do this in real time here. But I did brush a piece off camera and let that dry for a day or two. But yeah, this is not absorbing into the primer. It's laying right on top. It's beautiful. Maybe I should use the other brush. It's a little nicer. It came with two of those brushes, too. I should say two of those brushes also, right? All right, here we go. This is awesome. And little more durable than I thought. I like it without the clear on top. If I can handle it a little bit, that's fine. I like to put my models under glass once I'm done making my kits. I don't handle them that much. I know some guys might want to move stuff around, repose if it's a Gundam. I got my gloves on, so I just want to load it on here. Get as much of this as we can. And we're going to airbrush a piece in a second also. Now it's alcohol based. Says it right in the right on the page, the information page. Alcohol based, right in the title. So maybe we can thin it further, but you might lose. I shouldn't go all the way down here, right? I shouldn't bother with that. Look at that. A little blue here. I can see it. I'm not going to get every spot here. All right, so let's get this guy to dry here. Let's leave him on the table. On the bench. Move this so I don't knock it over. Let me put something below him. Hold on one second, guys. Here we go. Just this registration card. There we go. I got fresh cardboard down here. Don't want to ruin that. All right, we'll let that sit. This is why I put on gloves. Let me cap this just in case, but we're going to go airbrush it now. All right, let me go grab a spoon. Maybe we're going to do this little Gunpla piece, and we'll see how it airbrushes. Again, I believe it's the same. It's the same product as. Let me take these gloves off. As the other one I showed you. Matter of fact, let's compare it again. So, but I like having a choice. If one is out, yeah, look at that. You know, if one of them is out, you can go ahead and grab the other one. Look, it's, oh, that's right. The brush in this one popped off. I forgot last time I used it. But it has the brush built in and everything. So, same product. Again, if you're watching, please contact me. Let's work out something here. And let's release this product. Nice different package, bigger bottle. Anyway, let's go airbrush this. Let's head over to the booth. And it airbrushes straight out of the bottle, so I'm just going to pour it in the airbrush and let's get the spraying. Straight out of the jar, or bottle, right into the airbrush. What airbrush was hooked up here? My GSI Krios 274. The one I just tested, actually. All right, let's go ahead. Now, believe it or not, this should go on heavy, not like all clad. I mean, this stuff is incredible. Even a fool could spray this. There we go. And let's spray a cat. Why not? Make sure this guy's on here all right. I don't think being clear resin is going to affect anything here, so. There we go. I don't want them to fall off here. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to put the rest of this back in the jar. And I'm going to clean this out. I guess alcohol and some acetone. And I'll meet you back at the bench. All right, back at the bench. Yeah, I mean, this is real time. I just came from the booth, so this is probably a little wet. I'm going to just show you. This is just straight out of the jar onto an unprimed, non-gloss black base. I took this skull and sprayed half of it. Here's the spoon. And it looks, I'm going to grab it like this. It looks awesome on smaller pieces. I mean, look at how much more mirror effect that is than airbrushed. But this was just dabbled on. This is how it's meant to go on. It goes on heavy and it just clings there. And I'm going to show you the piece. Let's get this off now. Should be good enough. That I painted the other day. And there was that. And that was with the brush. You know, I just did it quick. I came up here, it was late at night because I wanted it to dry. And it's over this resin. It's pretty durable. I mean, not mega durable, but it's good. And this This is one layer. They recommend you can go 2 layers. I only put the one. I just wanted to see how long it would dry. If it was the next day, I could handle it, and it could. But there you go. That is it. I think it's identical to this. It's got to be the same product, right? It's got to be. So, but it's an alternative. It's $9.99, and it also comes in a 2-pack, and I think I might have a 3-pack with the gold and with the clear. But I'll put a link below. The gold isn't as great. Neither one has the great gold. No one can get this ultra shiny chrome look with gold. I don't know why. It's just the way the pigments are. It just doesn't work. You know, it just doesn't work. But I just want to get this up there. Leaves you guys an alternative. The first link I'll put is this one. The second link I'll put is the other one. They're only a couple of dollars difference. It comes with the clear coat, which actually looked pretty good. It looked pretty good with that clear coat on top. Let me show you something that came in as I was filming this video. I paused it when I go to the spray booth, and the doorbell rang, and I had a sign for something, and it's because it came from overseas. I'll even show you where it's from. This is their box. It came from Spain, and in it was this. Check this out. Brand new chrome clear coat. Varnish for chrome effect. Look at this. So, I mean, it's probably the same as everything else. It's got that same milky look. It's probably all like All Clad's Aqua Gloss, you know, an acrylic top coat. But hey, I'm going to try it. But I'm going to have to let these dry a little bit, a few days before we go ahead and try it. And I got this Cosmic Silver. I have no idea what this is, but it said new product, and I'm up for any new product. Kind of a purplish look to it. I'm just curious as to what this is, you know. Brush or airbrush, clean dry. Yeah, I don't know, but it looked cool, so I grabbed it. That just showed up literally during this video. So I'll go on the site, read the label, and see how it goes on. I probably goes on like the Aqua Gloss for sure, you know. Anyway, guys, that is the video. I just want to get this up quick. I teased you guys with the skull, and I wanted to go ahead and get that posted for you guys. So there you go. That is it. Now we have a choice. I think they're the same, but if one goes out of stock, go to the other one. This one's... Oh, we lost our cat. If this one's probably going to be sold out as soon as you guys start clicking it, it sells. I mean, the other one just sold. This one sold out twice. I think it's back in, though. So one more time. The owner of this company, write to me. Let's work on a product together. I'll give you my logo. And let's co-brand the product. I would like to release a nice chrome with my name on. I've asked a few companies, nice bigger bottle than those. We'll figure something out. And yeah, I'm hoping I hear from you. Anyway, gloves are off. There we go. Anyway, guys, that is the video. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell as we do multiple videos a week. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for sticking around, and have a great rest of your week. It's currently Friday as I'm filming this, so have a great weekend. I'll try and get back to you guys on Sunday with another video. I have a lot of stuff to test. More stuff came in the mail today. And so there you go. God bless you all. You guys are the best. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Have a great day.